Alright, Jason here from Falls Hillside Home. Started my trip from San Diego all the way to Tennessee. Retired, growing my hair out, growing the beard. You see a little shell there. Very exciting video for you. Just a little peek of what's to come right behind me. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is it. I am all checked out of TPU. You can see my room behind me. This is my living quarters. Yep, little desk there. Little window. But anyway, about to get on the road and head back to Tennessee. So for a while, no more haircuts, no more shaving. Grow the hair out, see what this beard looks like. Because 20 years, I've never, for my entire life, I've never grown a beard. So I'm going to see what that looks like. I'm pretty excited about that. So let's go on this road trip, and I'll share this adventure with you along the way. All right, here we go. This is crazy. Man, this is something else. Man, just the bridge alone is pretty crazy, you know? Dennis, if you're watching this, buddy, I'm really glad you mentioned stopping by here, because I didn't even think about it until you said it. Let's see here. Parking is $10. Man, that is worth it all day long. Alright, just made it to Hoover Dam. It's about 3:30 p.m. On the 9th. Man, this is just awesome. I ain't even made it down to the dam yet, and I can see it, but if you see behind me here, I mean, I haven't even made it out of the garage yet. Just astounded by what I'm seeing. But check this view out from here. Of course, you can see a lot of power lines and everything, but there's the dam there. Lake Mead, just on the other side. I just got down to the bottom of the garage and just looking down the area towards the bottom of the dam. It's very cool. Here's what the garage looks like. You come down, beautiful bridge, drive over, and off to the dam. I decided to take a second to check out the copper on this building. Absolutely beautiful. I love that. If you like beautiful buildings like I do, so I'm a country boy, but I appreciate things, and in a lot of big cities, at the top of the buildings, you'll see that greenish color at the top. That's copper. It looks like they got copper balls at the gate of this little entry here. Very cool. Gonna take a minute look at the flagpole.
Egypt, where the Colosseum represents Rome. At first glance, one is usually drawn to the massive flagpole that proudly displays the American flag and the banner of the Department
Wow,
of the
look at the
Interior.
river down there.
At the top of the flagpole, 142 feet above the sculpture,
That current's probably really rough, but man, would I not enjoy being in a kayak down there.
on September 30th,
They got a boom across the river there, so you can't get way up to the
dedicated the dam.
dam. Man, that's cool. Now, my buddy Scott Davis would appreciate this. He's probably already been out here. What am I talking about? That might look sloped. There's no way I'd want to slide down that. Oh, here you go. Hoover Dam, named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover, 31st President of the United States. Alright, here it is, Meade Lake, on the top side of Hoover Dam. You see the water line up there where the water is higher sometimes, a lot higher. Very cool, very pretty. And as soon as these cars pass, we'll walk to the other side. This beautiful view on the lower side of the dam.
As you look over the wall,
absolutely beautiful.
Doesn't appear to be dangerous. By building the dam here in
Could you slide down that? Not this guy.
mile-long man-made lake.
Beautiful.
With a shoreline of 500.
Man, I've really enjoyed this, but it's time to get back on the road, try to make it out to the canyon a little bit, figure out where I'll stop tonight, do a little camping, and hit the canyon up first thing in the morning, and I'll try to get to Albuquerque at least, Albuquerque, New Mexico. Yeah, maybe a little bit further. We'll see how it goes. All right. In person. So here we are going over the bridge now. Just thinking about how high up I am. Going over this river. This is enough to make some people a little uneasy. And there it is. We are now over the bridge. And we're in Arizona. There's actually the state line right there from Nevada to Arizona. So